Hello, friends, and welcome. Please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to like and share the video. So, let's start. First, when you come on the Paint 3D screen, you will get a welcome screen. Click on Get a New Canvas, and then you will be coming here. So, now how to adjust the canvas settings. Click on Canvas. Then you will get some arrows. You can increase its width and both its height. Now I'm going to describe what is the option of brushes used. Brushes are available in Paint 3D. They are used to draw or color some objects. So first one would be marker, then calligraphy pen, then oil brush, and then watercolor, then pixel pen, then pencil, then eraser, then crayon, then spray can, and then finally the option of fill. Marker can be used to draw objects. Calligraphy pen can be used to give your signature. Oil brush can be used to fill up things and make snow too. Water can be made to make some childish drawings. Pixel pen is the same as a marker but is a little bit rough, so this can be used to make or draw things. Pencil can be used to make very childish things. Eraser is used to erase the markings of your pencils or brushes. Crayon can also be used to make some childish drawings. The spray can be used to create a spray drawing or give some texture to an object, and fill option can be used to fill an object or your background. Now let's move on to 2D shapes. 2D are shapes which are not three-dimensional. They can't be rotated, hence they can't be tilted, and if they can't be tilted, they are 2D. There are objects like these. You can fill in colors, you can write text in them, and you can also do a lot of them. Now the point comes to line and curves in the 2D shapes. Line is used to make a simple line. Or a line and curve is used to make some objects which would be curved by 1 point up and 2 points down, or you can simply say 1 point up and the second point at the middle and the third point at the top. The fourth, which is 4-point line curve, can be used to make some water waves and can also be used to make some boats or some alphabets. Five-point curve can be used to make some waves and also some interesting objects like some mountains and some another objects which are classy, funny, and are very good to make. Now, but there is a disadvantage of 2D shapes that you can't then re-edit it. When it's made, you can't change its place, its dimension, and you can't also rotate it. So for doing this, click on this option which says it's made 3D. Option which says it's made 3D. Click it and then it will be 3D. Now you can rotate it. You can make it bold and big. You can re-edge it. And you can do as you want. This is your wish. So, like this, you can also rotate, resize, and do a lot of things. Now, let's move on to the next one, which is 3D shapes. 3D shapes are quite simple, as you just have to click one of them and just click on their canvas. You can then re-edit them, you can turn them, you can flip them, you can also rotate them, and you can do a lot with them too. Now, this this option, it says x-axis position. This helps you to understand that how is your object in the dimension. If you want to look at it in a quiet way, like you want to pause it for some time, click on this upper view which says 3D view. When you click up, you can see that how is your object there. You can put it in some object, you can bring it front, and you can even pop it up. After you're done, close the 3D view and then it will look quite good. Now let's move on to the next option, which is 3D shapes. And here you have some 3D models. You have a man, you have a woman, you have a dog, you have a cat, and finally you have a fish. You can use them to make some sceneries. Or simply you can use them for making in your collage or your drawing. You can resize them, you can edit your own color, you can give them some clothes, and so on. Make doodles, you can choose your own preview you want, and you can also adjust the thickness. Like this. This is a quite good example of making this. You can also make some more and then more and more. This is quite a good making skill that anyone can do it easily. Hence, it has a very good emphasis also on your judge. So, you can edit its color too. Like I want it pink, I can click on pink. Now, I'm going to show you something which will rock you up and you will be so excited to use this. Mostly, if you make collage, you want to edit the color of the man. Or you can say you want to give some clothes to the man or the woman standing. So, be not surprised. Click on the sticker, textures. You can have your own texture, like I'm going to just have this. His body, or I can say, I can do it like this, yeah. And then I can choose more textures to make more emphasis. Like I'm choosing what texture to make them. But now, it comes that if I have a woman also there, like here, and I want her to like, I also want her to give some clothes, but I don't want it to be textures. So what to do? Click on this emoji option and then you will get a lot of stickers which would be very different from others. So when you click on the sun option and you click on the break, you can see that I can easily have them. And if you want to, you can also rotate them as her angular position and then put them up and as her dresses is done. So this is a quite good example and you can try it. In this option you have some eyes too. So you can add eyes to your favorite character or to the character you are making on your project. But be aware, if you just do it and did the wrong position, it can't be reused. So your project will just be destroyed and it won't look very good. So I'm just going to add a mouth to my favorite character or the character I have and I'll paste it on her mouth. I can then resize it after it's on her mouth. Like this. Now it looks quite like an old woman. Yeah, I can also change her color by adding it to skin color. Yeah, but the problem is that her stickers will be vanished. So first do it. Then comes the option of text. You can add 2D text or 3D text. To do that, click on 3D text option, choose your own font, and then click wherever you want. I'm going to write the name of my channel. And when you are done, press OK. And then you can able to rotate it, change its angle of seeing. And you can also rotate it here. So now it looks quite good. Now, next option comes, which is the effect option. Most people want their drawing to get a very what I can say night effect, but they don't want that they should color their background as black, as it won't be too clear and won't give the objects a very good shade. So as it will be evening, I'm going to click on this option here, Taffy. Now I can now reset the sun as I want. As I'm clicking this one, I'm going to press here and then it's done. Now the last option comes of 3D library. This is quite a very good option, as you can choose your own personalized object and then you can resize it, rotate it and also edit it. So I'm going to click on dinosaurs and I want to have them in my picture. So I'm going to have turtle. It will load as it will download the fonts, and also it will paste it on your screen after it is done. It can take as many time as you have set it. Like if you had took a very big project, or you can say a very big model, it may take some time, so wait patiently. Now what if you don't want this and you want another? So you can simply click on this cancel option and then choose the next one. As you can see that my dinosaur is here, I can rotate it. I'm going to flip it. I can also rotate it on its orbit, and then I can also rotate it from its front. Yeah, it looks creepy, but more fun. So this is done. Now what if I want to save this? So click on this menu option and then you get an option like this. Then click on save as. Now you can save it as a video, as a 3D model, and also as an image. And you can also save it in Paint 3D project. I prefer you to save it in Paint 3D project. After you click here, it asks you to add your text to it, so I'm just going to write QWERTY and then save in Paint 3D. It will get an option of saving. So